This is my name is Mayank Sharma, and my student ID is 222002896. And in this task, we have chosen four different news channel and a topic that is that is COVID-19, and we have collected some of the data, and based on that, we have made some data analysis. Starting straightforward. This code establish a parameter and a variable to collect and analyze the COVID-19 related data from major news channel on YouTube, defining files names, credential, data range, keywords, channel ID, and maximum video limit for the retrieval. Then import. In this code, we have import the various Python library essential for the data analysis, processing, visualization, and interacting with the YouTube data API. It includes the pandas for data manipulation, seaborn, and metaplotting for assessing the YouTube data, the API for natural language processing, and other libraries for additional functions such as text analysis and data formatting. These libraries collectively provide a comprehensive tool for processing and analyzing the data from various sources, including the text and video data from the web. Then we move on to the then we move on to this so in this code segment processing the video and comment the data obtained from the csv file. It convert the data to date time obtained, the adds new column to represent the publication, and comment the dates at different time interval, and convert the duration of video from string format to the second from second. Additionally, it creates data frame object for video and comments, and merge them to create two new data frames. One contain inner joint and the other contain the left joint of the video and comment the data. This processing facilitates the further analysis of the video and comment interaction over the time. Now we just move on to the analysis part. In this question, we were asked to compare the distribution of number of view, like, and comment for video. Use the visualization and discuss your observation. Your visualization must include three subplots, one for each variable: number of view, number of likes, number of comments, and each subplot must display a histogram of representing variable overlaid by the density function. Additionally, your visualization must have proper label for x and y axis, as well as the title for each subplot. So in this code, this code basically creates a histogram to show how often create the things happen in a data set. In this case, it's about the video. The histogram are for the three things: how many times people view a video, how many times it gets, and how many comments the people leave on it. Each histogram in its own part of the same picture. The histogram show the bar that represent how many video fall into the different range of the view, like, or comment. The code use the seaborn function to draw the histogram and add a line to show how the data is spread out. It also set the number of the bin to 20, which means it is divided the data into 20 group to make the bar the label on the axis and the title on the histograms are changed to fit what being shown. Finally, the plotly is displayed in a way that make it easy to read. This help us to understand the data and spread out what typically this matrix in the data set. So the this we got, and so this is the output. And from this, the observation is the distribution of views suggests that most of the video in the data set have modest view shape, while a small number of higher viewed video create a long trail in distribution. This pattern implies a skewed distribution of popularity, where a selected few video a disproportionate amount of view compared to the majority of video. And the second observation, the similarity, the histogram represent like and comment counts indicate that the majority of video receive like and comment, while only a few video attract the substantial engagement. Now the second is what the total number of view, like and comment for the video published by the different new publisher. Use visualization to compare this total across the channel. Discuss your observation. Your visualization also include the three subplot, one for each variable: total number of view, total number of likes, and total number of comments. Additionally, your visualization should have appropriate label for XY axis as well. So in this code is a snip, calculate and visualize the total view, like and comment for each publisher in the dataset named video and underscore the data. It first group the data by the channel underscore the title and the column and the sum that corresponding view, like and comment counts. Then it creates three subplots using matplot library. Each represent the total number of view, likes and comment representing the final. It plots the bar for each metric and with the publisher on the axis and the total number of count on the y axis, providing the overview of engagement metric across the different publisher. So from this is the output, and the observation was CNS has the highest total number of view among the publisher list: BCC News, BBC News, CNN, Fox News, and MSNBC. However, it does not lead in total likes or comments. It could suggest that while CNN contain in the wide viewed, it may not be engaging the viewers to the same extent as some other channels in the teams of likes and comments. The second observation was, despite having this significant view compared to CNN, BBC News has more total comments. This could indicate that the BCC News content is sparking more discussing among its viewers. Now we move on to the next. So now we move on to the E part, the part two. So in this I have did this one. So the question was, what are the top 10 comment with the most replies? For each comment, display the channel title, comment text, and the total number of replies that comment has received. Discuss your observation. So in this code segment analysis the comment data by the first calculating the total number of replies to each comment, and then identify the top 10 root comments with the highest number of reply. It achieved this by grouping the comment by their parent comment ID and counting the occurrence to obtain the reply. Next, it merged this reply count data back into the original comment, the data frame, and extract the additional information such as video IDs and channel title from the video data frame. Finally, it sort the merged data frame by the reply count in descending order and select the top 10 routes committed and resulting the display the channels title, comment text, and reply the count for each of these top 10 routes commits. This analysis provide the insight into the engagement level and discussion surrounding the video and the highlighting the video active comment threads. So this was the output, and the observation in this the observation, the distribution of the comment among the top 10 is not evenly spread across the news channel. BBC News seems to have a slight advantage over other channels with the 5 out of the top 10 comments originating from how it. This suggests how that BBC News content may be particularly engaging or resonating with view in this content. Following the second observation was following the closely behind BCC News, CNN, and MNCB. Each has the three comments within the top 10, despite the Fox News being including in the top 10. It appeared to have the less representation compared to the other channel with the only one comment in the top. This indicates the various level of engagement, audience interaction across the different news channel and regarding the COVID-19 and the investment related topics. So this that was I did for the D1, and the challenges which I face in this, that the code template was the for the older version, and we are now using the Python and the version is 3.01. So we have to modify this according to that. According to that, yeah. So this was the major, and thank you for thank you.